Hi everyone, it's Melanie here, and what I'm doing is creating a series of tutorials on each section of how to create your module, how to create your 2-week course. And hopefully you watched Eliezer's tutorial. His tutorial, you saw how to dump all the material that would already existed in the template before, so that you can add your own. And today I'm going to start by showing you in this tutorial how to do the Learn section, the first section of your Moodle class, of your module. If you remember, the Learn section is the first piece right here. And we asked you to either videotape yourself or narrate a PowerPoint, something that allows the students to hear your voice so that they can make a connection to you. This is the time for you to introduce yourself, introduce the goals of your course, and specifically for that week, what will be intended for them to do, what their assignments might be, what due dates, if you're having a live session that week, which is completely up to you. What your expectations are when the assignments are due. You can take the time to reinforce your contact information, email address, phone number if you're choosing to have some office hours for your students. I'll tell you that I finished my Moodle class and nobody tried to reach me outside either the Moodle site where they can send you an email, or to the email account that I ask that they email me with any questions. So you should just know that if you choose to set up some office hours, the chances are that they will have enough ways to contact you through the Moodle site. So we're going to talk about the Learn section. I'm going to show you one, but you'll see that there are space for week 1 and week 2. In week 2, you'll once again go over what that week will bring, and then talk about the assignments that are due that week, when they're due, what your expectations are, etc. So in order to set this up, whenever you make changes to your course, you need to, of course, turn the editing on, which is up here in the corner. You'll know it's on because then, I guess it was on already for me. You'll know it's on because now it says turn editing off. So when it says turn editing off, you'll know you're in the right place. Plus the fact that when you scroll over pieces, you'll see all these editing tools come up. So today we're going to focus on week 1 Learn, and the way I'm going to do that, and I know Eliezer showed you in the tutorial, but I'm going to show you one more time. I chose for my Learn piece to use YouTube as my way of recording myself. So I just need to link the URL, which is the address, to the site. So how do I do that? I go into the update section, which is like the editing section. I'm going to click on the Learn document. I'm going to click on the link piece above it. Okay. Then you'll see over here that there's a URL already in existence. So that's the right one actually for me, but if I was going to do a different one, I would delete the one that's already there. Find the URL. Now I'm on the YouTube site. There's my YouTube introduction. And when I do that, here's my URL up top. I'm going to click on it. I'm going to copy it. Go back to my course and paste it on and hit update. Before I can leave this page though, I need to make sure that I have saved it. Now a good thing about the Moodle site is that it won't allow you, if it senses that you've made changes, it won't allow you to leave the page. It'll ask you, are you sure you want to leave the page? In which case that's your time to ask yourself, wait, what did I do? Did I save it or I didn't save it? So make sure that you hit save, so that when I go into the Learn section, I click on it, there's my PowerPoint.
Hi everyone.
And there it is.
Welcome
there's my voice.
The 2013.
And that's all you do. So that is the Learn section. If you have when you're done with this, if you have any questions about it, don't hesitate to reach out to me at melanie.eisen@yu.edu, and I will help you figure out the Learn section. Remember, you do one for week 1, and you do the same thing with, of course, a different PowerPoint or a different video of yourself for week 2. Thanks!